Hello and welcome everyone. In the previous tutorial session, we discussed how we can install Django by using the pip utility tool. Now in this video, we will discuss about the second method of installing Django, and for this we will discuss how we can use Conda. So similar to Conda can also be utilized to manage environments and install different Python packages just like Django, and Conda is not limited to Python. We can also utilize it for other programming languages including C, C++, Java, and even JavaScript. Now, before we jump onto the steps, there are few prerequisites that we need to follow up. First, we need to make sure that Python is installed in our system. And second, we need to make sure that Miniconda or Anaconda, any one of them is installed, because we are going to use this Conda utility comes with either Miniconda or Anaconda. So we need to install either one of them. So in this implementation, I have already installed Miniconda. You can install any of these according to your preference. And let's move forward and let's discuss these steps. So first we will discuss how we can check the installation of Python. Then we will discuss how we can utilize Conda to create a virtual environment. And then we will activate that virtual environment using Conda. And within that environment, we will use a conda command to install Django. So let's discuss all these steps practically. Now what I will do, I will open Anaconda prompt. So whenever we installed Anaconda or Miniconda, it will install one prompt in our system. So the name of the prompt is Anaconda prompt. So as I have installed Miniconda, that's why it is showing the environment name as Miniconda 3. If you have installed Anaconda, then it will show Anaconda. So I will run this application. This is basically a command line tool only. Now first, we need to check whether Python is installed in our system, and for this we need to use this command python space -- version, and this will return the current version of Python. So currently the Python version 3.9.7 is installed, and this version is installed in our base environment. So whenever we utilize these Anaconda or Miniconda prompts, there is one, we can say there is one default virtual environment, and the name of this default virtual environment is base, and the Python version 3.9.7 is installed in this base environment. Next, what we need to do, we need to create and activate virtual environment. So what I will do here, I will move to my D directory, and within the D directory I have one more directory named course. So I will move into that. Here I will create one more empty directory. So I will use this command mkdir, name of the directory that I want to create. So I will keep it as Django underscore course and hit enter. So with this one empty directory with this name Django underscore course has been created, we can use dir command to see that. And here you can see there is one directory. Now let me clear my screen. Now let me move inside this empty directory. So I will type cd space then the name of the directory, which is Django underscore course, and hit enter. Now I'm within this Django course directory. Now I will utilize Conda to create a virtual environment. For this I need to type Conda, then space, then create, then again space, then -n, and after this we need to give one space, and then we need to mention the name of our virtual environment. So I want to name my virtual environment as myvenv and hit enter. So this will take some time, and once this command has been executed, it will create a virtual environment with the name myvenv. So it will create a directory with this name myvenv, and all the we can say important files or Python related files will be there. So it is asking for permission whether I want to proceed or not. So I will hit Y and then hit enter, and my virtual environment has been created. Now the next step is to activate the virtual environment. Now how we can do that? Here you can see it is showing up the command conda activate, then the name of the virtual environment, which is myvenv. So let me clear the screen first. Now I will type conda, then activate, and then the name of the virtual environment myvenv, and hit enter. So now you can see the name of the virtual environment has changed from base to myvenv, and with this we have successfully activated our virtual environment. And now with this we are ready to install Django in our virtual environment. So how we can install that? For this we need to use this simple command, that is conda install and then the name of the package. So I want to install Django, so I will write conda install Django and then simply hit enter. So this command will fetch the required library and it will install it. And here on the screen you can see it is asking for permission from me whether I want to proceed or not. So I will hit Y and then hit enter. So this will take a few minutes. Now here on the screen you can see all the transaction has been executed successfully. How we can verify the installation of Django? For this we need to run this command, that is Django -admin and then space then -- version and hit enter. So this command will return the version of Django which has been installed in our system. So currently Django version 3.2.5 is been installed with this command. So with this, we have come to the end of this tutorial session where we have discussed how we can install Django with the help of Conda. So thank you so much for watching this video. We will see you in the next one.